1. Ingredients: the foods and substances used to make a dish. I need to gather all the ingredients before I start cooking. 2. Recipe: a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish. I found a great recipe for chicken curry online. 3. Chop: to cut food into small pieces. Chop the onions and garlic finely. 4. Dice: to cut food into small, even cubes. Dice the tomatoes for the salsa. 5. Slice: to cut food into thin, flat pieces. Slice the bell peppers into thin strips. Grate: to reduce food to small shreds by rubbing it on a grater. Grate some cheese to sprinkle on top of the pasta. 7. Mix: to combine ingredients thoroughly. Mix the flour, sugar, and eggs in a bowl. 8. Stir: to move a spoon or other implement around in a liquid to mix it. Stir the soup occasionally to prevent it from sticking. 9. Whisk: to beat or stir with a light, rapid movement. Whisk the eggs until they are frothy. 10. Boil: to heat a liquid until it reaches its boiling point. Boil the potatoes until they are tender. 11. Simmer: to cook gently just below the boiling point. Let the sauce simmer for 20 minutes. 12. Bake: to cook in an oven using dry heat. Bake the cake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. It's 13. Roast: to cook by prolonged exposure to heat in an oven or over a fire. Roast the chicken with vegetables for an hour. 14. Fry: to cook in hot oil or fat. Fry the bacon until it's crispy. 15. Sauté: to cook food quickly in a small amount of oil or fat in a pan. Sauté the mushrooms until they are golden brown. 16. Steam: to cook by heating in steam from boiling water. Steam the broccoli until it's bright green and tender. 17. Season: to add salt, pepper, or other spices to food. Season the steak with salt and pepper before grilling. 18. Marinate: to soak food in a seasoned liquid to add flavor. Marinate the chicken in the fridge for at least 2 hours. 19. Preheat: to heat the oven to a specific temperature before cooking. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. 20. To present food to be eaten, serve the pasta with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Example conversation. Person 1. What are you cooking tonight? Person 2. I'm making spaghetti bolognese. I need to chop the onions and garlic first. Do you need any help? Sure, can you grate the cheese while I saute the onions? Of course. Have you preheated the oven? Yes, it's preheating now. I'll let the sauce simmer for a bit before we serve it.